It's a stream. The Benz them clean. Alright, we don't have an argument. As a Jamaican, we never shy. Alright? Never tell a lie. Let me tell you something. Buju Banton mash up New York, a lie? Never tell a lie. Vybz Kartel mash up New York, a lie? Never tell a lie. Let me tell you something. Yesterday, 24th of May, at my time, you're going to mash up New York, a lie? Never tell a lie. We just want to know second.
I'm in Miami. Where are you? In a Brickle, pull up. It's a moment.
Come on.
Lifestyle.
Let's do this.
Is this pulling up once more? Pugsley.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, as you can see, Beenie Man congratulated Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel for selling out the Barclays Center 2 nights in a row. He also introduced that he has a show coming up on Mother's Day in Atlanta, Georgia. So guys, if you're there, make sure you come out and support his show as well. We also have Shenseea is finally coming out and confirming that she and her record label had to part ways, so she's by herself like Spice was and is. Also, Vybz Kartel looks like he bought a new mansion and he gave us a little tour. So we have a lot to get into. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe, leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. Check out this clip.
I've been independent since November, guys.
Fresh drop.
So, Shake It to the Max actually came after, I parted ways with my label. So I'm pretty excited, and I feel like I can find back a lot of fun and passion in my music right now. And yeah, we got to turn up, Shang.
Was Jamaica a safe space for Vybz Kartel?
Yeah, of course. Not.
Hey, way too much.
Do you stay there primarily, or?
I live here, sir.
Oh, okay.
I live in Florida.
Got you.
Yes, guys, so this is Vybz Kartel showing his new mansion that he bought in Florida. I noticed he brought up his mom, his kids, and, looks like they migrated. Well, he said it. He lives there now. So you guys let me know what you think about that in the comment section. Khago, who normally bash everybody when you see, he came out and said, Gaza Nation, listen, me no want to bash me. Me have something to say about Vybz Kartel. This is what he said, surprisingly. Check this out.
Boy, me I go say something, boy. I mean, know, say, boy, guys are fans, please. Take out the stick out in your ears, please, and just listen to me for a second. Me nah say nothing bad, so me jump straight to the chase. For a point in time, I hear them as a dancer lock up in a jail. I wanna did right. But there is a twist to the plot. Kartel go to jail, go free dancer. No one said for you can understand it. Dancehall did already lock up in a jail before Kartel go. Go to jail, go free dancehall. And him and dancehall get bail the same time. When Kartel what you did the road, dancehall did under attack same way. Pressure. Dancehall could move internationally. On a certain scale. Listen to me. Wow. Yeah, man. All me can say, wow. And the next thing I may have to say again, that Black Rhino moment. Wow. Me want to take my flowers, because I know someone not going to give me. Years, Khago. I the one where I say, please, give back Black Rhino in spot. Tears run out of my face this morning. Wow. Little brother, mad. And Vybz Kartel, big up yourself.
Do you guys agree with Khago? let me know down in the comment section. And guys, if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe, leave a like on the video and leave a comment. So the next video we're going to look at is Oral Tracy giving Vybz Kartel his flowers in regards to the show, the double back-to-back shows in Barclays Center, and he's also now stepping into the conversation about who's the real king of the dancehall. Check this out.
You know how Beenie Man take up kingship of the dancehall? Beenie Man did have a song when we sing about king of the dancehall, you know. I don't think of people that kind of crown Beenie Man king of the dancehall. I'm more Beenie Man crown himself king of the dancehall, you know. Let us say then, to make everybody happy, Yellow Man was the undisputed early king of the dancehall. It debatable about Beenie Man being the king in that era. The Beenie Man is a giant in a dancehall, you know. Don't get me wrong. But them have Bounty Killer, and them have Capleton, and them have Shabba Rank, and all of them giant and Ninja Man, and all of them man, they in that same era they when Beenie Man a war them thing, you know. But let us say Beenie Man was the king for that era there. There's no doubt no night now say a Kartel are the king now for that era, you know. Me don't know if Beenie Man kingship is an overall kingship Beenie Man want claim. Eh? Me don't think you have no overall king for dancehall. Because the music evolved so much and the space changed so much that every era is completely different. Because me know, although we say Kartel are the king of the dancehall currently, but Kartel still can perform on the stage like Beenie Man, you know. He still can hold an audience and manipulate an audience like Beenie Man. In terms of being prolific as a songwriter and as a lyricist, none of them probably cannot talk to Vybz Kartel. But the soul out when Kartel sold out the Barclays Center back to back. I remember saying that's the Barclays Center, you know. Remember say Kartel sold out the National Stadium to you know people. I'll give you this. He might come from prison. Lots of curiosity, there's a void in a dancehall while Kartel was in a prison. I know if him come out and drop the big concert, it would have full any arena. Buju Banton, the same post-prison effect Buju Banton use and full up the National Stadium as well. And I think him do the same Barclays Center there as well. So there is a post-prison component to the man them and full up the big arena them in Jamaica and all over the world. But separate and apart from that, this debate I gonna fill with subjectivity, you know. But right now, people, me feel with what Kartel do when him since him come from prison. The kind of Kartel come back after 13 years of incarceration, you know, and just wipe off everybody off a dancehall face, you know, and take it over for himself, you know, without even much new music, you know. And just in catalog and in personality and in business savvy, him come out and dominate the dancehall space, you know. And if we put on top of that now, him go full up National Stadium and go full up the Barclays Center times 2. Don't do that something, man. The man are the king of the dancehall now. Who never want to give him props, me feel you know unforced, you know. All of the man them who did mom, and I say Beenie Man, and I say Yellow Man, and I say Ray, and I say Tay, right now, a Kartel are the king of the dancehall. No doubt, no in it. When the man do with Barclays Center, and the amount of mad respect where the man I get from other genres, other superstars, local superstars. Yeah? That thing they were him reconnect with members of the Gaza. Eh? Look here. Me tell you one time on a previous video, you know. Say Vybz Kartel story is a movie material story, you know, people. The pre-prison thing there, where me that go on with me whole bleaching and the whole thing, where me that influencing society and, you know, the system lost him. See it? And then him somehow him beat it and come back a road and I live the dream. No, sir. And a normal thing Kartel do, man. The Kartel story is a movie script. I mean, no. If somebody at Hollywood take it and write it and get the right actors to do it, it would a shell. And
Do you agree with Oral Tracy? Do you think that Vybz Kartel is now the king of the dancehall for this era? Do you think what he said about Beenie Man being the king of his era at the time is correct? Let me know down in the comment section. Now, Star Brim is upset with the government. She's saying that Popcaan should have been at that stage show because he is an icon and a part of the Gaza members, but she had a lot to say about the government holding him back as to the reason why he wasn't in America. Check this out.
Guys, I'm smiling so hard watching the clips of Kartel show, but there's one small thing that bothers me. The fact that Popcaan is not in America A Gaza show without Popcaan on it, like, what is the problem? Do we understand that Popcaan is like an icon? One of dancehall's biggest artists, pushing Jamaica's culture across borders, and Jamaica is holding him down. I don't know if it's Jamaica, but that's the only thing I could think of. Why? What's up with y'all? Like, to think that Popcaan has never seen Miami, that is diabolical. Whoever's holding him up, I command you to free him. Seriously, guys, the show was amazing. I just don't like that Popcaan wasn't there. But you know what I did love? I did love when Shenseea came out on stage and performed Ludi, because I don't want y'all to forget how y'all treated her when Ludi came out. And y'all know what y'all did. Love that for Shen.
Funny enough, guys, while doing this video, I went on Instagram and I saw this. It looked like Popcaan finally reached America. If only he did land before Kartel show. Check this out.
I'm in Miami. Where are you? In a Brickle pull up. It's a moment.
Come on.
Lifestyle.
Let's do this.
Is this pulling up once more? Pugsley.
I don't know if it's true, but because you know Popcaan love for Karen, right? I don't know if I want to look a prank or what. But if he really is in America, this is going to create waves for the summer. What? Beenie Man, Bounty Killer, Vybz Kartel, Kartel, and Popcaan, the America? Oh God, a time for make money. Jamaica, stand the fuck up. Yeah, man, we reach. You guys let me know what you think about that in the comment section. So while everybody was giving their review after Khago, after World Tracy, after even Foota Hype, you know who also gave their review on Vybz Kartel's show? The Billboards and the Breakfast Club. They were elated. This is what they had to say. Check this out.
He returned to New York and he did his big U.S. Return. So this was his first U.S. headlining show in over 20 years. So there were some pretty big moments out of the show. So he came out to his remix that he did to Akon's Locked Up, which of course was very monumental after everything that he's been through, and the crowd just embraced him crazy. Billboard actually is calling this show, like the opening night alone, because you know it was sold out crazy, right? They're calling this show one of the most memorable nights of live music in the borough's storied history.
I mean, listen, people worship Vybz Kartel.
All right, and that's it for now, guys. If you reached this far in the video, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.